Does this look familiar? Is your Dyson V10 trigger feeling a little temperamental? Is it sticking, unresponsive, or just plain broken? The dreaded broken trigger is a common issue plaguing many Dyson V10 owners. Often, it's caused by a weak plastic component within the trigger mechanism itself. Over time, with repeated use, this piece can crack or completely break, leaving you with a useless vacuum. And now, you might even be tempted to try a DIY fix, with questionable results. Trying to DIY that broken V10 trigger? You're running some serious risks, we get it. But vacuum cleaner, even the seemingly simple Dyson V10, are surprisingly complex machines. You could easily damage other delicate parts inside, like the motor or circuit board. One wrong move, and you're looking at a much bigger and more expensive repair. So, you've decided that tackling that Dyson V10 broken trigger yourself might not be the best idea? Smart move! At RoboCare, we specialize in Dyson vacuum repairs, and the V10 trigger is one of the most common issues we see. Our technicians are highly trained and have years of experience diagnosing and fixing this exact problem. We don't just guess at the problem. We use precision tools and diagnostic techniques to determine the root cause of the trigger failure. Our repair process is simple and effective. We carefully disassemble the handle, inspect the trigger mechanism, and replace the faulty part. We then thoroughly test the vacuum to ensure it's working perfectly before returning it to you. No more aching fingers. But enough talk. Let's show you the results. Look at that power. A perfectly functioning trigger means powerful suction and effortless cleaning. RoboCare restores the Dyson to its peak performance. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
Seriously, RoboCare saved the day. They were professional, affordable, and they actually knew what they were doing. My Dyson V10 is now working better than ever. If you're having any problems with your vacuum, don't waste your time trying to fix it yourself. Just call RoboCare. They're the best.
Don't let a broken vacuum slow you down. Visit our website or call us to schedule your Dyson repair.